Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. On this video, we are going to make beef kabobs. For the beef kebab, we're going to need these ingredients: different colored peppers, onions, cracked peppercorns, sea salt, extra virgin olive oil, Creole seasoning, garlic salt, ribeye steak. We need bamboo skewers. Cut the onions and peppers into squares. This is what I do to get the seeds out cleanly. I press on the stem on the top part, the green part. Press down, and then we'll cut the pepper into half. There you go. There, you have all the seeds out. So we're gonna cut the peppers into squares. Cut the onions into squares. Onions. Cut the ribeye steaks into cubes. Season the vegetables. First, we're gonna coat the veggies with olive oil so that the seasoning will stick to them. Creole seasoning, garlic salt, fresh cracked peppercorns, fresh cracked sea salt, season the meat the same way. To skewer the meat and veggies. We're gonna fire up the grill and barbecue these skewers. Beef kabobs.
Delicious!
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see videos on DIY, restorations, and other time and money-saving tips and ideas, please visit my channel and check out my playlist. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.